Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to join the Zengo Referral program. Alright, that's pretty simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch the Zengo application, of course, after downloading and installing. No, it's not going to take you to the home page just yet. Now, if it's your first time downloading and installing or even starting to create your account in Zengo, it's going to take you to the first window, which you're going to be asked to enter your email address. Oh no, the first window is actually to get started. You'll give you brief information about Zengo, so click on let's get started and we're going to take you to the next window. We're going to enter an email address. Now, right under that space, all right, that says add your email address, you're going to find an option that says have a referral code, and you're going to see the apply option there. So when you arrive at that screen that asks for your email to create your account, before you enter your email, go ahead and click on have a referral code, apply. So click on the apply button, and once you click on the apply button, enter your referral code and click apply. So enter your referral code, click apply, and once you click apply, then go back to email to enter your email address and use that step to continue your signing in process or your sign up process. Now, once you do that, it's now going to take you into the Zengo application, which is, of course, automatically you joining the Zengo referral program. So that is one way. Now, I'd like you to know a couple of things. As a referrer, that's if you're the one referring someone, you're going to earn $10 for each qualifying user when they complete buy transactions with a cumulative value of $500 or more. Then as an invitee, you can get $10 in Bitcoin when you buy a total of $500 USD or more using the referral program. So let's say you have already registered and you did not go through the process of entering your referral code. All right, and you want to now join the referral program after registering without applying. That if you registered without using the referral program, you can definitely get that done right there after you have registered. Now, this is what you're going to do. Check the bottom of your home page and go ahead and click on settings. And once you click on settings, you're going to scroll the way down and see the use referral code. Now click on use referral code here. Now you're going to enter the referral code and click on apply. After clicking on apply, then you'll be able to enjoy the benefits of a referral or an invitee once you sign in successfully. That's if you did not follow the initial process. All right, you can do that after you've already signed in using this step. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.